Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Remove the two stoppers in the glove box. Removing and reinstalling the stoppers is easier if you partially close the glove box. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1207 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the filter housing door by sliding the left tab in first. Then, press on the right side until the lock clicks into place. Reinstall the stoppers. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.